All right, guys, we're out here in Pensacola. Got a call from an attorney. The client had a fire damage and had a remodel before that. So we're gonna get in here, take a look, see what caused the fire, do some cost analysis, and try to help these people out, get back into their home. So we'll go inside here, see what we have, and take a look. All right, guys, well, here we are, walking in. Had a fire in here. As you can see, we've got electrical wires hanging and all that jazz. If you've never had a fire before or been inside a building with a fire, this is what the aftermath kind of looks like. And I'll kind of show you what heat can do. It's pretty amazing, actually. So as you see, it burns holes through roofs and all that kind of jazz. And you can see that truss member is gone, fried all the way through. So the trusses are going to actually have to be removed on the structure, the sheathing, the roofing, all that jazz. And we see our culprit right there. It was a fireplace. Right there, that was a fireplace as well. That was added, and they turned it into a pizza oven. So that is all great, and that is actually a pretty nifty, cool idea, especially since it's all masonry. A little dark in here, but you can see that hole, and that's actually a solid masonry chimney flue. You could tell that this whole thing was remodeled because you can see where the plumbing pipes were for the existing sink. And a lot of or the old sink, excuse me, and you can see there's a 3x3 window that's very typical over a kitchen sink. And then you can see where the new plumbing pipes are. And then this guy up here, right? See if I can put my finger there. That guy is our culprit. Let's go around and see why he's our culprit. Well, there was definitely a remodel that went on, but there was also definitely some tampering with the flue to make it go out. This in here is a terracotta flue. That guy right there, that's clay. And then if you look above it, I'll move this wire out of the way, you can see this metal piece right here. That is an adapter for metal to clay. And you can see that the flue is cracked really bad. Well, outside is about a 6-foot tall stainless steel, I believe single wall, which is not allowed, it has to be a double wall. Stack that has probably been beat back and forth with the wind. Now you can tell that it came through with the cracking because there's no smoke down below. Fire never made it down below, it only went up. So, and all the heat distribution and the charring is right then and there where that is. So we've got an improperly installed adapter to a chimney flue. So yeah, that's kind of what caused the problem. So now what are we gonna do? We are going to do it right, and we are going to put together a cost analysis to help this homeowner get back into his house and help with the carrier settle this out as soon as we can. So, all right, everybody, you guys have a good day.